Your turn. Time to start thinking about the details of your box. You've done some ideation. You know what kind of box you want. Now you need to think about how you'll put it together. Maybe you've thought already about the lid and the bottom. If not, those would be good details to add right now. And very specifically, think about the joints. If you haven't already decided on what kind of wood you're going to use, you need to do that now because that really affects the size and measurements in your joints. You can choose the cross halving joint or the corner halving joint that I talked about in the video and showed, or am going to show as I go through this process. Another option that looks similar is slightly harder to do because of the cuts that you need to do for it. There's a few more cuts than in the corner halving joint, but also comes out with a very nice looking ends, would be the box joint. It has a finger that fits inside two others. So if I can get my, I can't do it in the mirror. They fit together like that. Looking at the camera, watching it backwards, I can't actually do that. So that's the box joint, where one piece comes into the middle and the other piece has two edges that come around it. And that looks nice too, particularly if you're doing a very delicate box. This may be the best option. This one may be a little more tricky to do with really thin or small, short pieces. If you're doing a tray, for example, the box joint might be a better choice. The one joint that you may not pick, no matter how simple you think it would be, is the butt joint. That is not a skilled joint in general to choose, and it's a very skilled joint to get done well when you're building stuff. So that's not a good one for beginning. So don't choose that one. Leave that out of your options. If there's a different joint that you'd like to consider, please talk to Mr. Marzouk or me, and we'll look at what you need and get you set up.